Concept of production. Production is defined as the step-by-step conversion of materials into another form through chemical or mechanical process or enhance the utility of the product to the user. Converting raw material into final product, that too a value addition is giving to that. That is, at each and every stage, value is adding to that product. Edward Buffer defines production as a process by which goods and services are created. Here we can create two kinds of products: customized products, standardized products. Customized products like broilers with a specific capacity. Standardized products like cars, bus, motorcycle, radios, televisions. You can see the production system as depicted in this picture. Demand information. Based on the demand, we are going to convert raw materials with the help of man, machine, and money into a final product. This is the production system. This production system in organization can be exercised in different types: intermediate production system, continuous production system. Intermittent. The name itself, preparation, the theme of production system. Project production flows, jobbing production flows, batch production flows. Because of the nature of that production system, intermittent, that is not continuous, we are going to have three kinds of production flows: project, jobbing, batch. Under continuous production system, we have two types of production flows: mass and process. Intermittent production system, as said, it's not a continuous one. Variety of products can be produced. Volume of production is very small. General purpose machines are used for producing this kind of production system. Sequence of operation changes as per design. Production depends on customers' orders. That is, somewhat customized production can be produced by taking orders from the customers. Here you can see an example for intermittent production system. Goldsmith, tailor. Normally how we stitch our dress based on the measurements of our own. Goldsmith, he gave some kind of designs, earrings, bangles, by giving order and getting a specified and a desired kind of ornament to us. All these comes under intermittent production system. Next one is continuous production system. Here flow of production is continuous. Products are standardized. Products are produced as per quality standards. Products are produced in anticipation of demand. Standardized routing sheets and schedules are prepared. Mass production flows could projects like this. Single operation can be handled. Large scale of production can be produced. The example for that is toothpaste, soaps, combs. If we want to buy blue color pen, we have number of pens. That is, large scale production can be done in continuous production system. The other kind of production flow is process. No flexibility in plants, only single product is produced at a time. Steel, cement, paper, sugar are the quite good examples for process production. Types of production processes. Just have a glance, you'll get an idea about all that said production processes. Under continuous, have discussed mass production. The other one is process production flow. Process production flow, we can see that petrochemical, edible oils, steel making, paper making, beer brewing. Under mass production flow, automobile plants, food processors, beer bottling are the quite good examples. Under intermittent production system, we have project production flow. For that, construction of airports, dams, roads, buildings, shipbuilding, building mass rapid transportation systems, movie production companies, drilling oil wells are examples. Job production flow, painting shops, machine tool shops are the quite good example. Under batch production, drugs and pharmaceuticals, a kind of chemicals. Then production management. According to E.L. Brecht, production management then becomes the process of effectively planning and regulating the operations of that part of an enterprise which is responsible for the actual transformation of materials into finished products. In the same line, E.S. Buffer defined production management deals with decision making related to production process so that result of goods or services are produced according to specifications in the amounts and by the scheduled demand and at minimum cost. Some more authors defined production management as bringing togetherness of 6 M's, that is man, money, machines, materials, methods, market. Objectives of production and operation management. Here, we can see 2 types of objectives, intermediate objective, ultimate objective. Under intermediate objective, machinery and equipment, materials, manpower, manufacturing services.